Hello everyone. To hide your WhatsApp profile picture from a specific contacts, follow these steps. First, open your WhatsApp application. Then, tap on the More option, three vertical dots, located in the top right corner. Go to Settings and navigate to Account. Then, select Privacy. Then, tap on Profile Photo. By default, everyone can see your profile picture. To hide it from specific contacts, choose the option My Contacts Except. Then, select the contacts from whom you want to hide your profile picture. After that, tap Done to save your changes. Once you've completed these steps, the selected contacts will no longer be able to see your WhatsApp profile picture or DP. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see ya!